Hi guys, today we're doing part 2 of building the airplane of Lego. Get right into the video. Good morning. Good morning. Today we're gonna build. The last time we left off with the blue guys. We already finished him. Oh my. Come here, people. So we already finished him. So let's see. Okay, so I just finished this guy. Let's see the other parts here and here. And I just finished this guy. Oh, no. So these are where's the captain? So these are the people. This is the captain, his worker, the boxer. I call him boxer because he brings all the boxes in the plane. Another builder. So we don't need you. Goodbye. See you later. So, these are going to be our helpers today. And they're going to be our cameraman. Okay, so that's our cameraman. Let's get into it. Here's a manual. What the heck? I want to get. So this is the one we're building. I thought this was a passenger one. This blue one. This is a passenger one. I wanted that one, but this is okay. So we are building. I don't know what. Okay. We have got one block that looks like a. One block that looks like this. Let me just see. Where is it? Can't find it. Can anyone help me? I can't find a piece.
Which one? That big one?
Yes, the big tan one.
I don't think it's tan. I think it's
Yellow. I'm just gonna use this then.
Or gray, maybe.
Well,
Maybe it is tan.
did you find it? Did you see a tan?
No. Here.
Finally, we have our tan. Now
Yes.
I'm gonna get a yellow thingy. Let's see. Found them. Found this. Okay, let's go. Boom. Wait, we don't do this yet. Sorry, guys. We did the wrong thing. No. We were still keeping this. We were supposed to do this first. First, we need. So this is the first one we're gonna do. We're doing this page first. Let's get it. There we go. Oh, what's this? I think this is probably not it. Where is it? I found one. I found one. Next one. Well, I think I found two. Yep, I definitely found two. Oh. So we find our first one. Now we're looking for the second one, and then there's some stuff. We got some stickers if you didn't know in the last video. Where is it? Do I have it? I don't have it. Where is it? Buffy threw up at 5. Where is it? We don't have this. Where is it? You need it. Sorry guys, we're gonna have to end the video. I have to end the video here because I literally can't find this. I can't find this. There's 2 pieces and I can't find it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.